It takes a community to maintain a building. Even the smallest repair relies on collaboration and trust between building owners, managers, residents, and repairers. Uptick leads the maintenance industry by connecting all of these moving parts. If your building maintenance is managed using Uptick software, you can rest easy. You are now part of a solution to safer buildings and to more efficient, transparent building maintenance. Thousands of maintenance coordinators rely on Uptick every day to efficiently and effectively complete maintenance jobs. Smart workflows ensure that nothing falls through the cracks and rewards the successful, cost-effective, and timely completion of all maintenance work. The easy-to-use modern software ensures effective communication and transparency between all people involved in the repair. For building owners and stakeholders, we have a range of tools that keep you informed. You can easily collaborate with your manager and other stakeholders, as well as access real-time transparent building maintenance data. Thank you for choosing to be part of the Uptick community and to lead the industry towards safer buildings and to more efficient, transparent maintenance.